Hello, ni hao.
Good morning. We are doing something very exciting today.
Yeah, if you watched our last video, you will know that we are at the Keats Chinese Language School here in Kunming. And that's right, we are, with aprons on, about to cook Chinese food.
We're gonna do a cooking class. Let's go.
Subscribe to follow along.
好的，你好。今天我们学2道菜，一道是家常豆腐。
His Chinese name is
家常豆腐。
家常豆腐，
豆腐，
家常豆腐，
家常豆腐。Which is
还
homemade
有
tofu.
另外一个宫保鸡丁。
宫保鸡丁 chicken.
对。
Okay.
We started by washing our hands, then it was time to start cutting everything up.
Okay, so we're starting by cutting our tofu into
你
thin
要看着它要打成
triangles.
硬币后的
And we have our lovely cook and
很
then
好
our
，OK，
translator, which is very helpful.
很好。
We're now cutting up the chicken and we're cutting it into very little pieces.
After we finished cutting the chicken up, it was time to add the spices and sauces. We added salt, sugar, soy sauce, oil, flour, an egg, and then mixed it up and left it to tenderize for about 15 minutes.
胡萝卜，那里
Gulopo is carrot.
对，这个
Carrot.
是配那个鸡丁的这个
黄瓜.
黄瓜，对，对，你看。
We learned quite quickly our chef is fast moving and we did our best to keep up, trying to help out as much as we could.
Like this?
3 pieces and we don't this middle one.
Like this?
Oh,
good，
yeah,
很
good,
好，
good.
很好，对，
I got it good.
对的。
These knives are sharp, we gotta be careful.
Yeah.
She's very fast.
Oh, look at us.
Do you eat it in your country?
No, not usually, but it looks like a type of mushroom. But do we have it? We probably have them
We
somewhere.
have Asian markets.
Okay, so this is really cool. It's black fungus, it's called. We're cutting it up to go with the tofu. And you find it in the wild, so it has to be washed 3 times. And now we're cutting it up. We have water boiling because we're going to blanch the carrots for 2 minutes so they're a bit softer when we cook them.
Okay, so the black fungus is actually found on trees in the wild, which is pretty neat, in the mountains. So now we're cutting up some chili. There's tons of chilies
Spicy
here.
chilies.
Spicy chilies.
就是因为
She's very efficient at cutting. It's impressive.
We cook it with the tofu, and this is also a match of color. You can see there is green, red, white. So that's very beautiful.
It's very nice. I love all the colors
Yeah,
and all
yeah,
the
yeah.
vegetables that are in these
对，
dishes.
看着
It's
好
very
看。
nice.
对，姜。
So ginger is jiang.
We cut up ginger and garlic.
So fast! I know fast is kwai because of the basketball player in Canada. That's how I remember. We're rinsing the carrots right now, and I'm also cutting the ginger and garlic together now, making it extra small so people don't have giant chunks of garlic or ginger in their food.
We took the black fungus and the carrots out because we have to, and rinse them with cold water because we want to make sure they don't overcook and they get too soft.
It's not hot, then they will stick in this.
In the pan, so you wait till the oil is literally smoking, and then you add the ingredients.
You see, we're standing back there.
Straining it, that's right.
We next added the garlic, ginger, and Szechuan peppers to the mix.
Okay, it smells amazing, but you can also, if you take a deep breath, you cough because of the Szechuan pepper. Also, there it is.
Turn the fan on.
I was gonna say it's so interesting. They're cooking cucumber because we always eat cucumber raw, but you cook it in the meal, which is neat.
You fry it
and
up.
The carrots are not
And the
finished.
carrots.
Or the carrots.
This is fast and intense. We've also learned that an important part of Chinese cuisine is actually to have different colors. So you throw in like orange, you want green, you just want a variety of colors. You want a rainbow when you cook.
丁，宫保鸡丁，对，
Do it. Good.
宫保鸡丁。
Look at that.
We are moving on to the second dish, so heating up the pan again for our tofu.
In order to cook this dish, we have to have more oil to really deep fry the tofu. Also adding salt around the pan to make sure it doesn't stick. That's a trick.
I think the secret of Chinese dishes is quick. You need to cook it quickly so you can make sure the flavor of the dishes is good.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god.
We're now letting it sit for 2 minutes. Again, it's fast cooking, so it had to be really fast. And then the mushrooms or the fungus just was like popcorn. All of a sudden it was just popping. It was wild.
Okay, I'm gonna try the food that we cooked. We're also gonna be serving this at lunch, which is pretty cool. You help make lunch. So kung pao chicken, and you say it properly. You say kung pao chi 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 chi.
The ding, its pronunciation is like the letter in English D.
T. Yeah.
D. Ding.
Kung pao chi ti.
Ding.
Teen, but with an N on the end.
Oh yeah. ing ting.
对，
对，
都放一丁。
对。
Okay, I'm
They
gonna try
both
this
have
out.
spice in it though, so see how spicy it is.
没关系，没事。
Oh,
That's spicy.
you know what? No, it's good. The peanut, really good idea.
他说什么啊
Honestly, very nice. The peanut.
？OK，好的
Oh,
，Thank you，
very good.
谢谢。
And
他
then
需要这个花生，他觉得花生在里面非常的好。
对
this is，the home style tofu. Home style tofu.
How do you say that?
家常
Jiachan
豆
duofu.
腐，
Fo.
对，
This is
它
only
是
Chinese
翻身的。
果。
Because it's daofu is tofu.
Yes，
Daofu.
家常豆腐， 喜欢吗？
Perfectly seasoned. You got a bit of spice, not too much. And you got the salty, you got the umami flavor. You got the healthy veg, you got the tofu, you got the oiliness. That's actually really nice.
Very nice.
Both very nice dishes. Very fun. Quick, intense, stir frying with
That's how you
lots
cook,
of
I
colors.
guess, here.
Both of these two dishes, we add a lot of seasoning into it because in Chinese we usually mash them with rice
Yeah, exactly.
and noodles.
Yeah.
The rice and noodles there is no flavor in
Blend,
them,
yeah.
so blend them together so we can eat a lot.
Yeah, that
eat
makes so much
lunch
sense.
and dinner.
So
Yeah.
you can have tons and
Yeah.
just matches. Excellent.
Okay, so I'm gonna try the tofu with the fungus, and we're gonna get to eat this with everybody later for lunch. That's really nice.
Right?
Very, very good. Good job, team. So in this cooking class, we learned the secret to Chinese cooking, and it involves being very fast, or kwai,
Yeah.
right? Kwai.
Kwai.
Kwai. Lots of oil, an abundance of different seasonings and stuff, which is really cool. We have it laid out in here in English and in Chinese. And the last thing was, color. Lots of color. So you always have a few vegetables in there to add some color.
其实不用谢，不用谢，
会煎，谢谢。
好的，不用谢，See you later。